morning, Elon. You're awake na? Huh? You're awake na?
Tignan natin kung mainit na yung gatas ni Elon. Pwede na to. Hi Elon. Hello. How's your day? You're already full? What do you want to do? You want to play with daddy? You want to play? You want to play soccer? Or you want to play basketball? I love you. I miss you. Kiss daddy lips. Kiss daddy lips. He wants to kiss my lips. Kiss my lips. Kiss my lips. Come on, kiss my lips.